Area Travis Salute, today welcome for football and building. After match, talk about how you see Manchester City 4 and Chelsea 0. We get Oga Austin. Maybe like say that Ogbonge person and Ogbonge Chelsea fan make contact about how you see this game. Oga Austin, as a Chelsea fan, now how you see your club performance against Man City today? We won a shop 4 goals. How you see Chelsea performance?
Chelsea performance is very poor today. I no fit rate them at all. You know, say I be talk for the last match, say the coach not good. And they see somebody they blast me for comment section for Instagram, say not be coach. And they see all stuff of all type of comments. It don't clear now. Yes, I don't know those when they blast me the last time. I want to know what to be their excuse now. One say player no day. Now you don't get players. See the kind point in the start match. You bench your player to play Mancity the last time. You bench and put on other people. How you want to get first team if they change players like this? Another thing again, the man no dey get am right for a selection. The selection dey very poor. And I believe say with all these players wey dey sign, if those wey dey injured, if they come back, na the same mistake go still dey make. So Potter no be the right man for Chelsea work. Mo go try look for other coach.
So to you now as a Chelsea fan, you want make Potter dey go today?
For me, make e dey go abeg, cause the record too poor. And I believe say for like when I dey check the record for like this one make am 7 match or so for all competition. You don win only 8 for all competition. You don win only 1. We just dey judge with this Man City game. How you wan come talk of the rest game wey no take perform poor? You play lesser team, you still dey give poor performance. So the man no work. I believe say coach club wey don sack coaches wey be say dey build up all the same way dey give coach time. Dem no go put this kind of performance for 8 match. Say you come win 1. For club like Chelsea, no work na. All this one na sign say this man no be the man for the job. So more time, more go get better coach.
So you don't complain about the coaches now, but I want to ask you about Chelsea transfer business. What Chelsea do for this transfer window? We know the transfer window is still open, but we don't see players like Santos where they come from Brazil. We don't see the defender where they come from Monaco, and we don't see also Destro David Fofana when they are our own Ivorian brother where they come from Molde. Now, how you see the signings where Chelsea they make? But we see they see the talks when they with Enzo Fernandez from Benfica. How you see the way Chelsea they move for this transfer window?
Chelsea dey do very fine for transfer window. One thing dem need to do, make dem go sign creative midfielder. Like today now, if you dey watch the game today, this Destro dem put, this our new striker. If you watch am, the play come from side. The call also come from side. So we need that creative midfielder. And I believe say even with all this signing wey dem make, if dem still give this coach these players, e no go still perform. Even if dem go, if all these players win match for Chelsea, na player influence and individual play, not be the coach pattern, because with wetin we dey see here so, me I cannot tell you the kind pattern wey be like say Chelsea dey play, of which is very wrong. If you see team, you can talk say this team na this kind pattern dey play till dey win match, but you know if this team go ask Chelsea come outside say see how we play till win this match, you know dey. So all these players, if dem sign am give the coach, e no still perform.
So I want to ask you also, we know say Chelsea, like you don't talk say you know they happy with what you see today, say the performance go sweet you. But again, any Chelsea player where you fit point out to for today's performance, say this player still try. Bad as bad, you understand? At all na enjoyment. Which Chelsea player you fit point out say this guy still try?
Me I go point 3 players for Chelsea wey try. You see our defender Koulibaly try because who dem take pair am, the man give am much work. So Koulibaly try. Then this Zakaria when he enter for the game, you see him impact. He try for the game. Then that young boy wey play our left back, all that boy try too. So na those 3 players I fit point out say they do well for Chelsea today.
Okay, before I let you go, Oga Austin. Now which teams you go predict say they go win this FA Cup?
For me, still I fit predict I still say Man City, because that team they too good. Even Guardiola on you as a manager, he sabi na very experienced coach. So me na Man City or City to win. Even Premier League sef I still tip Man City somehow because no be here. for you to follow the drag, they get the player, they get the coach. Me, I think Mancity abeg.
All right, now, guys. Thank you. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, we dey lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share am with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platform, dey for the description for inside this video.